She likes what she likes, and she could put it all on you, baby. If you bout that life, because you don't got time to choose it.
Hey tribe, it's Kia from Heritage 93, and in this video we are going to the city of neglect, aka trekking through a long overdue pedicure routine with super grown out green toenail polish. I wanted to do more tending to all-around care this year, and part of that means paying a little more attention to my feet, way more than ever before. Quarantine and pandemic, but make it super self-care. So yeah, in this video there will be crusts, broken toenail shambles, and much more. If you do not like feet, just meet us in the next video and skip this one. I promise I won't be callous about it. Now, without any further ado, let's get started because it's toe time. So yeah, we see how unashamedly overdue this routine is by the looks of this cuticle crest. So I'm gonna grab this takeoff towel by coat. Now, I recently mentioned this polish remover in that Dream Starter mani bag video because it's super easy to use and I love how effective it is. It takes off essentially all of the old polish all in one go. Now, the backstory is that I found this on Amazon. I read the reviews and then I thought to try it out, and I'm really glad that I did. This is definitely one of those hidden gems. It smells like sweet citrus and is also super moisturizing, which definitely helped my toe cuticles look a little more decent and hydrated, for their close-up. Full disclosure, this is not sponsored. I just think this product is great for convenience. Although we may not be able to travel much right now, this is that I just need to take off my polish and it'll be really quick solution. Now I'm just gonna throw this away, and this is what we're working with so far. Grown out toenails and one broken one. I don't remember how that happened, but since I want to maintain longer toenails right now, I'm gonna grab a file to sand off just a little bit of the nail length. Now for toenails, I don't mind going back and forth because these nails are thicker and tend to maintain a little bit better. But let me know your experience with any toenail troubles you have in the comments below. Okay, so here's the difference in file toes versus non-file toes. But with a quick file off camera, this routine is back on the right foot. Now in a large container, it's time to prepare a foot soak. In this mix, I wanted to create a detoxifying, cooling, stress-relieving combination that also exfoliates, softens, and nourishes the foot. But we must see what this blend is giving. I'll be using about 1/4 of this container since the feet are in need, and I'll be sprinkling this mix directly into the tub. Next, I'm gonna run some hot water directly over this salt mix. That way all of the ingredients can begin to dissolve and the many minerals have time to disperse and make their presence known. So right now my feet are giving dry but freshly filed beddiness, and the foot soak is nearly ready. I just have to give it a quick stir so that the hibiscus is a little more free roaming. Now it is time to take the long awaited plunge. But the gag is that the water is still really hot and I kind of had to stop so that the water can, cool off just a smidge. But eventually the feet get to soaking and have a little fun mixing in with the natural ingredients. And so far, the detox and exfoliation is starting to happen as noted with the lifting of this dry, thicker skin on my heels. The dead skin is still very much on there, so I'm going in with my exfoliation gloves to help lift off the ready-to-go skin from the sides, bottom, and heels of my feet. Also, I really like using these gloves on my toes as well to help lift away those cuticles without any excess tools. And yeah, my foot is kind of red from the just under hot water, but it just felt so good. Okay, but pedi check, and my feet are definitely feeling super smooth and refreshed. Now it's time to towel off just before moisturizing with a shea butter based cream. After that, I'm applying a base coat polish just before painting my toenails. This was actually my first time using white polish, and I gotta say, I love the contrast. But of course, I want to keep my toes super hydrated and nice, so I went in with a bit of the Bipedal Nail Solution, as well as a few drops of the Mint Condition Nail Treat, in 2 different application formats that I was really curious to try out. So yes, there we have it, going from green and overdue to bright white and highly moisturized. I hope you guys enjoyed this pedicure routine and found it helpful for your foot care needs. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and engaging with this one. Take good care and happy toe glowing. I will see you soon in the next one.
Never